Hello everyone, Magdalena here, Wolf of Coins. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, a special video. I have just arrived today, sorry for the noise, to my parents' place, and I have received this parcel. I have clumsily removed the personal details from here, but yeah, this will be an unboxing. I have no idea what's inside. Joanna Mnomquah and me decided we will do a witchy swap around this time of the year, so here goes. And can I just draw your attention to these monsters here and these pumpkins? I mean, how cool is that? How awesome. I'm sorry, little monsters, that I have to cut you. Yeah, and they made me so happy, even though, I mean, I obviously ordered some stuff to my parents' place. So there were like 3 little parcels waiting for me. But the moment I saw this one, I knew it's something special. So yeah. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited, you guys. I love this type of surprises. I really do love. Okay, there is something pretty inside. Woo! There's nice paper and a lot of bubble foil. Good. Oh wow! Dried flower petals. Oh my goodness. I need to collect them and put on the pretty paper. And the pumpkins are everywhere. Woo, woo. Oh yeah, okay, I have one clue what's inside because we talked about this. But, oh, more petals. More petals. Oh my goodness, there are so many things. So many. Can you see anything? Oh, wow, this is something for my son. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh. No shit. I'm sorry, but she made me a notebook. I don't know if you can see it. There is only more petals inside, so I'll just remove the box so you can see better what I have here. But what's this? Oh, you didn't. Asha, oh, this is so sweet. Oh my god, look at that too. But yeah, this is Shamash. He is he's a king of wands in the Mary L tarot, and I think Asha knows pretty well that he's my favorite card of like from the whole deck, and I have a crush on him because he's so gorgeous. So yeah, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Look at this. And of course I love Tarot de Marseille. Oh wow, how awesome is that? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Wow. So you have to know, if you do not know yet, she makes the most beautiful notebooks. Did you use a sewing machine on this one? Oh my goodness. And she made one for me. Oh. Okay, I'm a bit speechless here. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it. Asha is it's just wicked. Oh, Queen of Coins. Oh, beautiful. Okay, you outdid yourself, Mrs. This is, oh my goodness, this is amazing. I'm speechless. Seriously, seriously. Okay, what do I open next? Wow, this one. I think I know what it is. Let's see. Whoa. I think her packaging is much better than mine. However, in my defense, I had to go through, control at the airport with my stuff, and they still suspected. Oh yeah, they found some object suspicious. Yeah, so yes, it's the Slavic Oracle. We talked about this, so this is not a great surprise, but I love this pouch so much. So gorgeous. It's this symbol, and that is, it's actually a symbol used by one of the Slavic pagan societies in Poland, but yeah, it's more or less universally recognized in Poland as a Slavic pagan symbol. So yay! This is the Slavic Oracle, and I won't be doing like a walkthrough here because it would take ages, but it shows it's a collection of Slavic artifacts, and you know how I love archaeology and old things and Slavic things. It's just a thing for me. So yay! Yeah, so it's full of those old Slavic things that I love so much. So thank you so much. Oh, what's that? Ooh, there's something additional here. Okay, I will look at that later. I mean, so far, Asha is just, oh my god, all the gods. Okay, so now I think I will go with the books. She mentioned a book, and I said yes, but I don't know exactly like the title. I know the theme more or less. Ooh, yay! Yay! It's about, you know, she's from the region where the sacred mountain of Slęża is. We've been there, I mean, my husband and me, last year we climbed it, and there's a lot about what's been happening there. So it's cool. Oh, a lot of pictures. I love that. Thank you. Yeah, there's the bear. I have a picture with this bear, of course. It's like a symbol of this mountain. But yeah, great. I love that. It says like it's a guidebook different than all the others. And then we have this cute little thing for Stasha. Oh yay! Sorry, monsters. I need to rape you. Woohoo! Oh, so this is a story about Slęża again. So there's the mountain there. Oh, cool. Great, I will surely read it to him when he goes to sleep. Great. And there's one last thing. Oh my goodness, I have totally no clue what this might be. So sorry, dear pumpkins. This looks very mysterious. I have no clue what it is. However, it looks like... What? I don't know what it is. Oh, come on, come on. Alright. Just give up. Sorry for the crinkling. It must be very noisy for you. Maybe I will do it a bit further from the microphone. Oh! Is it a mug? Is it a mug? It is a mug. I love mugs. I adore mugs. And that's what I just said in the book. It's the image of the bear from Mount Ślęża with the axe and everything. So, I'm so happy it did not break in the in the parcel. So yeah, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, look at all that. This is just so amazing, Asha. Thank you so much. I'm just, I'm so happy right now. I'm so, yeah, I will be playing with this once I stop recording. But yeah, girl, you're sick, you know that. It's amazing, it's awesome, you're awesome. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That's mostly what I wanted to say. Bye everyone, I hope you've enjoyed.